Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best budget-friendly drones for aspiring filmmakers. Getting those cinematic shots shouldn't mean emptying your bank account. I've picked out 5 drones that deliver incredible value without compromising on the features you need to capture stunning aerial footage. So, if you're ready to elevate your filmmaking game without breaking the bank, stick around. Let's get started. First up, the DJI Mini 2. This compact drone delivers crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second. It features OcuSync 2.0 for a rock-solid connection and a flight time of up to 31 minutes. The Mini 2's image processing delivers vibrant colors and dynamic range. It's incredibly easy to fly with intuitive controls and intelligent flight modes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Mini 2 makes it easy to get cinematic shots. The DJI Mini 2 is a game changer for filmmakers on a budget. It's definitely earned its spot on this list. Next, the Rise Tello is perfect for beginners. It's incredibly affordable and offers a 720p camera with electronic image stabilization. The Tello is responsive and intuitive, making it ideal for those new to drone flying. It's a fantastic option for experimenting with drone filmmaking without breaking the bank. The Tello is all about accessibility and ease of use. Moving on, the Holy Stone. HS 720 strikes a great balance between features, performance, and affordability. It boasts a 2K camera and intelligent flight modes for cinematic shots. With up to 23 minutes of flight time, you can focus on getting the perfect shot. The 5 GHz FPV transmission provides a clear, stable live feed. The HS 720 is a fantastic all-rounder for filmmakers needing a reliable drone. It doesn't skimp on features, despite its budget-friendly price. For those seeking adventure, the Potensic D85 is built like a tank. It features a durable construction and a 2K camera with a 2-axis gimbal for stable shots. The D85's GPS functionality includes Follow Me mode and Return to Home. It has a decent range, allowing you to capture footage from further away. The D85 is perfect for adventurous filmmakers on a budget. It's a solid choice for those needing a durable and capable drone. Lastly, the Hubsan Zyno Pro delivers professional-level results without the high price tag. It features a 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, cinematic shots. The Zyno Pro's gimbal stabilizes the camera even in motion. With up to 23 minutes of flight time, you have plenty of airtime for epic shots. The Zyno Pro is perfect for serious drone filmmakers on a budget. It's definitely worth considering for exceptional results. And there you have it, the top 5 best budget drones for filmmakers. From the beginner-friendly Rise Tello to the feature-packed Hubsan Zyno Pro, there's an option for every skill level and budget. Remember, the best drone for you is the one that fits your needs and budget. Get out there, have fun, and experiment with different shots and techniques. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and filmmaking tips. See you in the next video.